All right, folks, we got the rate hike. We got the rate hike, 0.75%. And like I said in my video yesterday, there's a good possibility that that rate hike is actually already priced into the market. And what are we getting right now? We are getting a pump. We are getting Bitcoin on the rise. Cardano was up to 50 cents. It was actually up to 52 cents just about 30 minutes ago. So, folks, that's why I'm saying, I was making a video yesterday, don't sell all your crypto because you think the rate hike's going to crash the markets. It's probably priced in, but if you want to sell like 20% just in case, that might be smart too. But it does look like that rate hike was priced in. We can all kind of take a sigh of relief. That doesn't mean we're out of the wood chipper yet. I mean, we're still in this bear market. We still have inflation. We still have war in Ukraine. We still have $6 gas. But a lot of people can take a little bit of a sigh of relief that the 0.75 raise Fed hike was already priced into the market. I do think if it was any higher than that, like, anything higher than 0.75, it would have basically crashed the stock market by like 2,000 points. And Bitcoin would probably be at like $15,000 right now. And I think the Fed knew that. So I think that's why they didn't go any higher. But when you think about it, 0.75 probably is high enough. Hasn't been that high since I think 1994 was the last time. And look, we all survived, folks. Hey, 1994 was a good year. I was, 13, 14 years old, living it up. I don't know. I grew up middle class. My family seemed like they were doing fine. It wasn't too bad. I missed the 90s. So, yeah, folks, we dodged a bullet. We'll see what happens with the markets. If you follow Gareth Soloway, who I do, he thinks we might be able to get a rise back up to, $25,000, $30,000, best case scenario. I don't think we'll get that high, but I could see Bitcoin over the next couple of days making it back up to maybe $24,000, $25,000. If that happens, like I'm saying, we got that Vasco hard fork for Cardano coming up next week. Cardano 70, 80 cents. That is still in the cards, folks. Like I said, there was a good possibility we were going to be in a dump right now and Cardano be down to 38 cents. That did not happen. Doesn't mean it's not going to happen. It doesn't mean when I put this video out, it's not going to happen, but it does look like the market has digested the rate hike. It looks like the market is fine with it. And I think my prediction that we're going to see a green stock market tomorrow. And if we do, hopefully crypto follows. Of course, there's no guarantee. I'm not Nostradamus, although I do think I've been pretty good at my predictions lately. But I'm definitely no Nostradamus. But I'm glad I'm holding a lot of Cardano right now. I'm sticking with it. My Cardano is 70% of my portfolio. And also I want to show you guys theta. Theta is on a tear as well today. Theta was at, $1.15, $1.20 last time I checked. $1.26, guys. So theta is right back to where it was when Bitcoin was $30,000. Theta is like, between Theta and Cardano, it's like 90% of my portfolio. So, like I said, Theta's pretty much already bottomed out for the most part. I think getting Theta under $1 is going to be, you're going to have to see a Bitcoin under $14,000, I think, for that to happen. There's so much support for Theta at $1. It went from $14 down to 98 cents, and I think that's going to be it. That's just, Theta could go to 10 cents for all I know, but in my mind, that's what I'm seeing. I did pick up some Theta at 98 cents. I'm glad I did. But look, guys, the markets are showing strength right now. I think we're going to see a pump up for the next couple of days, at least the next day, and we'll see what happens. Other than that, take your sigh of relief. It's over. I know everybody was all stressed out last night about the Fed hike. In fact, I was watching it live, and I was getting stressed out. I had my phone out, and I was like, okay, if it's like over 0.75, or I'm just gonna sell like half my crypto. I was starting to get those crazy thoughts in my head, because I really do think if it was over 0.75, we were gonna get a massive dump. In fact, I thought at 0.75 we were gonna get a massive dump, and I was looking, and the market just went up from there. So basically 5 minutes after the rate hike, it clicked to me that it was already all priced in. The market had already priced in 0.75, and it had no effect on the market. People took a sigh of relief, and they just basically went back in the stocks. Tech stocks are doing well right now, and of course Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens tonight. But yeah, I mean, I think we can take a sigh of relief, take a chill pill, Doesn't mean we're out of the woods, but I do think we're going to get at least a couple of days of relief before we go right back into the shitter. Hopefully, you know, that 20,000. This morning we hit 20,100 at 6 in the morning, and I just woke up and I looked at my phone. And I was like, shit, like what the hell is going on? This is it. And but we pumped up from there. So hopefully that $20,000 was the bottom. We'll see. I think we could probably go down to like $17,000, $18,000. I think that's definitely a possibility. But you never know, folks. That's why you have to be in the market with money on the side.